As long as I look taller.
I want to do a little. A D-Link unboxing.
To this camera.
Oh.
Always to this camera.
Sorry, because you were sending these.
And you said D-Lank.
Did I?
I'm the head of... Sorry, I can't get...
At least I don't remember my own title.
Yeah, but I can't get D-Lank out of my brain.
D-Lank!
And then you can connect it to your laptop.
Sorry.
I was in my
So sorry.
flow then.
You're doing so well. Hello?
Very much the same size note. So for you.
The new Eagle Pro Mesh. I don't know what to say.
I didn't know you were going to stop. Just mesh.
Hello and welcome to a very unexciting.
Unexciting. Okay, just say hello and welcome to another D-Link.
Be jazzy. Okay.
Hello and welcome.
Okay, let's start.
I got a new coat.
Well, I haven't, have I?
No.
Aha. One. Right, so that kind of is. Hey, they're both called what got one on them.
No, the one's on top, Sophie. That's a light.